What's up, Exchanges? Jake here, about to start our 2019 Panini Football 5-box mixer break on Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. Let's do the random. All right, dice roll first. Has to be at least 3 or else we go again. And it is 8. So 8 times on the list. We got 4 combo spots doing Bucks and Dolphins, Falcons, Bills, Saints, Texans, and Browns, Jets. Here we go. 1 is Colts to Bears. Number 2, Raiders to Colts. Number 3, Raiders to Bengals. Number 4, Rams to Cardinals. 5, Bears to Rams. 6, Saints Texans combo to Eagles. Number 7, Cardinals to Panthers. And number 8. We have the Bengals in the top spot. Broncos are spot 5. Redskins spot 7. Giants spot 8. So 3 big teams in the top 10. Cardinals are 12. Raiders are 25. Patriots 27. So the top of the list is loaded. Paste that in. And list of names. Here we go. 8 times. 1. Jason down to Merrill. 2. Jason to Damon. Number 3. Steve to Josh. Number 4. Glenn to Crew. Number 5. Tom to Nathan. Number 6. Merrill to Rob. Number 7. Steve to Merrill. And number 8. Good luck. Got Jason Jacobs in the top spot. Damon in spot 12, which is the Cardinals. All that on Steve Owen in spot 28. So paste that in. And I'll print it out and we'll go through it. Yeah, I wonder how much that we pulled Dominguez foil yesterday, the sky blue. I wonder how much that's going for. If the base is 250, that sky blue's got to be like 400 to 500 probably. Craziness, maybe more. Those are not that easy. All right, we had Bengals, Jason Jacobs, Niners, Josh Gilmore, Colts, Merrill Hobaugh, Eagles, Nick Humphries, Broncos, Thomas Wood, Bucks, Dolphins combo, Mike Reese Perez, Redskins, Jason Jacobs, and Giants, Jason Jacobs. Nice 2 teams for Jason. Steelers, Crew Lafferman, Chiefs, Thomas Wood, Packers, Nathan Barr, Cardinals, Damon Slayton. Congrats to Damon. Bears, Jason Jacobs, Lions, Matt Fitzgerald, Jags, Sean Crouch, Titans, Steve Owen, Falcons, Bills combo, Damon Slayton, Rams, Richard View, Browns, Jets combo, Tony Shanks, Cowboys, Rob Wager, Ravens, Nick Kirsch, Seahawks, Josh Gilmore, Panthers, Steve Owen, Vikings, Crew Lafferman, Raiders, Glenn Deering, Chargers, Steve Owen, Patriots, Rob Wager, and Saints, Texans combo, Steve Owen. Feel free to talk trades here. Jackson is putting up the Browns and the Jets. Combo spots. The one good thing is out of National Treasures, there is potential for every team. So Prism Contenders and Certified is definitely more rookie heavy, but National Treasures could be really anything for sure. I mean, it's comboed, Mike, but like I said, in Treasures, you never know. There's Marino stuff. Bucks have decent rookies this year. They're just defensive players like Devin White. You never know. The numbered blue, Sean, or just the sky blue, the not numbered one? I'm assuming sky blue. All right, guys, last call on trades. Clean this off. I had to clean the breaking desk. We had so much like pack dust and stuff all over this from the last couple days. All right, let's do this. We're gonna do our 2 certified firsts. So certified contenders, Prism Treasures. Good luck to everyone. Certified usually comes with 4 hits in a box. All right. Crowder, Galladay, Hopkins. There's a Matt Ryan to 450. Deshaun Watson gold team insert for the Texans. First hit coming up in this one. We got base of Breeze, Mahomes, George Kittle. The Diamonds insert Kirk Cousins. And I think it's going this way. First hit of the break. Freshman Fabric. Nice one. Will Greer. Will Greer, rookie patch auto out of 299 for the Panthers. That is going to Steve Owen. Good looking card. All right, we got Saquon, Earl Thomas, Aaron Rodgers. There's a Rashawn Gary red out of 99 rookie for the Packers. And a Calvin Johnson record breakers for the Lions. J.J. Watts. Oop. Looks like I almost gave it away. Zeke Elliott, Le'Veon Bell. Here's another hit. 250 points. That'll be random off at the end of the break. So that counted as one of their auto hits. Unfortunately. All right, Stafford, Watson, DJ Moore, Cortland Sutton, and a gold team, Ray Lewis for the Ravens. We got Dante Pettis, Eli, Mark Ingram. There's a nice one. Immortals, Pat Tillman out of 399 for the Cardinals. And a Roethlisberger raise the banner insert. Yeah, super thick one here. Kerryon Johnson, Goff, Prescott, Emmitt Smith record breakers. And he's going this way. Damian Harris jersey out of 299 for the Patriots. That would be Rob Wager. Rob Wager gets that one. Sam Darnold, Khalil Mack, TJ Watts, Clayton Thorson, rookie to $2.99 for the Eagles. Raise the banner, Terry Bradshaw. 2 packs left. This one should be our other memorabilia hit. We got McCaffrey, Lindsey, Garoppolo, seal of approval, Cam Newton. Looks like a gold, but it's not. That's just the inserts. And last hit is an Andy Isabella jersey at a $1.99. Can't have a football break without Andy Isabella. Damon Slayton of the Cardinals. Van Der Esch, Lamar Jackson, Mariota, orange Dante Pettis at a $1.99 for the Niners, and a Diamonds Devontae Adams for the Packers. All right, that was box 1 of certified. Let's hope for a little bit better of a second box. Will Greer was nice, but the rest of the box was kind of eh. Box 2. Joey Bosa, Allen, Geis, Landry, Gold Team, Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Matt Ryan base, Lockett, Deshaun Jackson, Leonard Fournette out of 450 for the Jaguars. Raise the banner, Gronk. AJ Green, Cousins, T.Y. Hilton, seal of approval, Luke Kuechly, not Leak. And first hit is superb James Conner jersey out of $2.99 for the Steelers. And Crew Lafferman. Yeah, Mike Evans, Keenan Allen, Julian Edelman, Trayvon Mullen Jr. blue out of 50 for the Raiders, and Glenn. Jerry Rice raised the banner for the Niners. Ridley, Davis, Gurley, seal of approval, Khalil Mack, and a jersey of Marquise Hollywood Brown for the Ravens. We got the Ravens. Nick Kirsch, that one's going to you. All right, so both jerseys out of the way. Should have our 2 autos to go. Nick Chubb, Diggs, Fournette, Calvin Ridley out of 450 for the Falcons, and Josh Allen diamonds for the Bills. Josh Rosen, Carr, McCoy, another Pat Tillman number 399 for the Cardinals. Roger Staubach gold team for the Cowboys. Let's save that one for last. I think it's the rookie patch auto. Derrick Henry, Alshon Jeffrey, Baker Mayfield, Jalen Hurd out of $3.99 for the Niners, and a Baker Mayfield record breakers. Last 2 packs. Looks like maybe a gold auto. I think it's a gold vet auto. Dalvin Cook, Nick Foles, Chris Godwin, Diamonds, Patrick Mahomes inserts. What looks like a mere gold auto. And it is Icky Woods. Our friend Icky Woods signed at the show last year. 16 out of 25 for the Bengals and Jason Jacobs. Mere signatures gold, Icky Woods. Who dey? Nice hit for Jason. And last pack should be our rookie patch auto. Ben Julio Trubisky, who did not get his option picked up today. Surprise, surprise. Raise the banner Aikman. And our freshman fabric rookie patch auto is, there's a nice one, Josh Jacobs out of 299. Glenn's been hot lately. He's not working in the shop, so he's pulling big heat. Josh Jacobs rookie patch auto going to Glenn. That was a little bit of a better box than the first one for sure. All right. That's right. He has nothing on the Jake Shuffle. That's for sure. Contenders hobby. Let's pull a nasty cracked ice or something. Legendary Contenders Champ Bailey. Looks like we have more points to give away. Another 250 points card. So we have two 250 points cards to give away at the end of the break. Warner Legendary Contenders. Thanks, Rob. I hope so too. That was an awesome pull. Eli Brady auto, David Sills the 5th. That's going to the Giants. Logo there, you know, his Bills uniform is going to the Giants. And Jason Jacobs. David Sills. Here's another auto, Jake Shuffle. Carson Wentz, MVP contenders, Aaron Jones, Joe Mixon. Auto is Jace Sternberger for the Packers. And Nathan Barr. Jace Sternberger. Might get some PT this year. That Packers receiving and tight end core looks a little looking a little thin these days. Seahawks rounder and another auto coming up. Darnell Savage Jr. Packers again. Nathan. Back-to-back Packers hits. So that's probably already 4 autos with the points. So we might be down to our last auto. They're just all in a row. I think we are. Last auto coming up potentially. Jeez. Mecole Hardman Jr., Rookie of the Year contenders. And potentially the last auto of the break already. Easton Stick for the Chargers. Easton Stick for the Chargers. That's going to Steve Owen. He'll still probably be their backup, but his stock went down a little bit after they drafted Justin Herbert. But he might be a long-term project anyways. All right, I don't know if we have any autos left. Winning ticket, Tom Brady inserts. Maybe we'll have a bonus insert auto or on-card auto in here or something. They're all stacked on this one side. N'Keal Harry, Rookie of the Year contenders. These backwards cards drive me nuts. Jaguars inserts. So we hit a quarterback auto, just not the one we wanted. There's a championship ticket, Kerryon Johnson, out of 99 for the Lions. MVP contenders, Cam Newton. DK Metcalf Rookie of the Year contenders. Well, this box didn't leave much excitement for us. Being all stacked up on one side. MVP contenders Lamb Jack. Round numbers. Josh Allen Rookie of the Year contenders. Legendary contenders Hines Ward. Ray James Jr. Rookie of the Year contenders. That proved to not be true. Kyler insert there. MVP contenders Drew Brees, and that's it. So unfortunately, no little bonus there. All right, on to Prism, and then the main course of National Treasures. Prism Hobby Football stuff has skyrocketed in price. Probably because base rookies are worth so much now, too. All right, 12 packs of Prism Hobby coming up. And then the box of treasures, which was just one box we got from our distributor. Ooh, how about this? Gold vinyl in the first pack. Gold vinyl first pack. Coming out hot. Got a Hakeem Butler rookie. Fireworks Amari Cooper and gold vinyl. I think it's going this way. Won't be a good one. It is a rookie, just not the right one. I mean, he got some playing time this past year. It's a Travis Homer gold vinyl for the Seahawks, number 1/5. I was hoping it was DK. That would have been sweet. Travis Homer gold vinyl for the Seahawks. That would be Josh and Isaiah. It's not a true womp womp because it's at least a rookie. He did play last year. So I wouldn't say true womp womp, but could have been worse. You know, could have been defensive vet guys like some of these guys, you know, that wouldn't have been that good. Legendary talents, Joe Namath, and a Blue Ice. Ooh, it's a rookie. Blue Ice rookie. Wow, there we go. That's a good hit. Jason Jacobs with the Giants. Daniel Jones, Blue Ice. Rookie. Nice hit, Jason, 64 of 99. This stuff, Prism parallels have shot up in football like crazy, just like the base has. It's carried along from basketball. So that is a nice hit, Jason. It is a clean card, too. Wouldn't be a break without Andy Isabella. I love the Blue Ices. I was really mad that Panini changed it to dark blue this year for basketball instead of keeping that light blue. I think it looks so much better in the light blue Prism. All right, next pack. 2 fire parallels right off the bat. I think it's our silver parallel, 1 per box. Silver, Derwin James for the Chargers. Steve Owen gets that one, and a Leonard Fournette Green and yellow parallel out of 175. Noah Fant rookie and Josh Jacobs rookie. Back-to-back, 2 solid rookies. That Broncos offense could be running on all cylinders this year to go along with the Vic Fangio defense. He is a great defensive coach. Light blue, Sammy Watkins. That's out of 199. LJ Collier and Rodney Anderson rookies. Looks like we have an orange. Orange coming up in this one. Jared Goff, Von Miller, Fireworks, Orange, Parallel. Oh, that's actually not bad. I saw Cardinals. I was hoping. But Pat Tillman stuff does really well, as it should, given his sacrifice for our country. It's out of 249. So Cardinals, that is a solid parallel hit right there, too. Damon Slayton. 2 rookies there. So we got a purple, the Violet Power, or whatever they're called. In this one. It's a great color in this box so far on this side. All the autos must be on the other side. All the colors on this side, probably. All right, purple Power or Violet Power, whatever it's called. Greg Zuerlein for the Rams, who's now on the Cowboys, I believe, out of 49. I wish that was a little bit of a better player, but... All right, looks like we got our first auto. Green Scope auto coming up. All right, all of our base. Deontay Thompson rookie, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside rookie. And our green scope. Nice one, Will Grier. There we go. Another nice hit for the Panthers and Steve Owen. That's out of 75. It's out of 75, Will Grier auto. 2 nice Will Grier hits for Steve. Those cards look so good. Violet Power. Oh my, we got another points card. 250 points again. So we have 3 250 points cards to give away at the end of the break. But here is a nice rookie for the Patriots and Rob Wager. Yeah, Jarrett Stidham base rookie. Irv Smith rookie. And all the rest base. It is a points kind of night. As long as we get good cards with the points, I don't care. Like, this box has been a good box. Even to hit one of those points cards. So that doesn't bother me too much. Red Wave, it is a rookie. Jonathan Abram out of 149 for the Raiders. Damian Harris, Dexter Lawrence rookies. All right, 3 packs to go. Still should have one more auto. Looks like we got a blue wave in this one. There's an emergent Saquon insert and a blue wave Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. That one's out of 199. Now Buffalo Bill. Another orange in this pack. Another orange. And it is Calvin Ridley for the Falcons. That one's out of 249. Trey McLaurin, Nick Bosa rookie. Last pack. Should be an auto. It is. Looks like it's a red wave. Myles Gaskin rookie and a Montez Sweat rookie. And the auto kind of already showed. Myles Gaskin, rookie auto for the Dolphins and Mike Reese. That one's out of 149. All right, so solid box. And the main events. One box of National Treasures football. Like I said, this was one of our distributors. They had one loose box. But the last time we got loose boxes from them, we got 2 Prism Hobby basketball, and we had a Mojo Zion out of it. So hopefully that carries over to this. Oh, there's the crack sound. I need to smell the lacquer. Hold on. Ah, it smells so good. I love it. It's got a little thickness to it. Maybe a book card in here. There is a book. We do have a book. All right, good luck, everyone. Starting with base, we got Chris Godwin out of 99 for the Buccaneers. Sony Michel out of 50 for the Patriots. And on to our hits. Patch card, Boomer Esiason out of 49 for the Bengals and Jason Jacobs. Player worn, of course. And then the Bengals again, Tyler Eifert out of 99, jersey card for Jason. Next up, we have a Drew Bledsoe, Curtis Martin, dual jersey out of 99 for the Patriots, and Rob Wager. And our book card's next. I don't think it's autographed. I think it's just patches. Hopefully it's something nasty. All right, here we go. It is a Treasured Patches. Wow, that is a waste of a book. Plain jersey, Sammy Watkins. 24 of 25 for the Chiefs. Tom Wood. That is a wah-wah right there. All right, on to our autos. We got 4 of them here coming up. First up, we have Marcus Mariota, 14 of 25 jersey auto for the Titans and Steve Owen. Next one is a nice auto. We have N'Keal Harry, 5 of 10 for the Patriots. Let's go to Rob Wager. 5 of 10 N'Keal Harry. Here's an auto you don't see very often. And it is Tiki Barber. Gorgeous autograph Tiki has. On the sticker. Very clean. Tiki Barber, 5 of 25 for the Giants and Jason Jacobs. And the last hits, not a huge one, but it's a nice one. NFL Gear, Josh Jacobs, triple jersey ball auto, 36 of 49. Going to Glenn. Glenn gets 2 Josh Jacobs hits. All right, that is it for the break, guys. We got to give away these points cards. That was an okay box of treasures. We had 3 decent autos. Stuff falling on the back or something. It's creeping me out. All right, we got to do points cards. 3 points cards to give away. They're like ghosts in the shop. Make sure you guys can see that. 3 points cards to give away. All 250 points. So here's the list from before. The roll was 8 on the dice. So we're going 8 times. This will say 16. And then, actually, let me take this. It's the same spot does not win more than once. Sorry, guys. Forgot about that. No Kyler. Nope. Nothing big Kyler in this one. That did nothing for me. Hold on. There we go. Copy the original list over. Now we're good. This way it tells me the spot number, so that spot can't win more than once. The individual can win more than once if they have multiple spots, but the same spot cannot win more than once. So here we go. 8 times. 1. You got a Rob on top. 2. Steve. 3. Jason. 4. Rob. 5. Tony. Number 6. Jason. Number 7. Jason again. And number 8. Good luck. Tony Shanks only had 1 spot and wins it. 250 points. All right, 8 more times. 1 is for the second 250 points. Steve, number 2. Merrill, 3. Hit it. Jason, number 4. Tom, 5. Tony, 6. Tom, number 7. Jason, and number 8. Good luck. Steve Owen in spot 26 wins the second 250 points. And 8 more times for the last one. Here we go. 1. Crew, 2. Nathan, 3. Nick, 4. Jason, 5. Tom, 6. Rob, 7. Steve, and number 8. Thomas Wood gets the third 250 points. All right, guys, that is all for the football break. Thank you so much. These go out on Monday. I believe Hitless Spots had bonus packs, so you get those as well. So, yeah, everything's going on Monday. Thank you, guys. Basketball up next.